The next report that we're going to look at is the under dollar report. This report looks at the stocks that are trading under $1 with results tracked over the last 5 trading days. You can access this report by clicking on the reports tab. And once it loads, we can navigate to where the report is. So we'll go into the daily tab here, and then down to ad hoc, and then it's going to be under $1. So that's the path to get there from the reports tab. So from here, once you can look at the stocks that are trading under $1 on a given day over the last 5 trading days. You can select which date you want to look at, but the default is go to the current day. So once you get in, and so makes it easy, customizable for you. Once you get into the data itself, you get to see the pricing information laid out pretty clearly. So it starts with the stock market symbol. And then you have the company name, and then what industry sector that they work in. So that stuff, just so you can clearly see what you're looking at. From there, you have the year begin price, so the price at the beginning of the year, and then you see the current price, so you get to see how it's changed over the current year. And a lot of the time, it's been a steep decrease, which is why it's trading under $1. So then you can see that based on the price change year to date, and then the year to date percent change. So you get the dollar amount and then the percentage makes it easy to compare and get a look at how it's increased or decreased over the past year to date. So that gives you all that pricing information. From there, you get a look at institutional investment. You see how many institutions are investing in a stock and how many shares that they own. And then from here, you get the same for hedge funds. How many of the top 10 hedge funds are investing in a stock and how many shares that they own. These last 2 columns I'll wanted to get into a little bit. The Hedge Hero shares. These are in reference to Renaissance Technologies. It's a major firm in investment. The firm and their founder, James Simons, are highly regarded for models for stock picking that have helped the firm achieve a track record of success since it was founded in 1982. So Renaissance Technologies, they're great at predicting stocks and having a specific model for choosing which stocks they invest in. So this column here shows how many stocks Renaissance Technology owns. And if it's a dash, that means they don't own any. And then this column shows how that status has changed. So newly bought would mean that they invested in this stock for the first time. Sold off means that they owned stock previously but sold it off. Reduced would mean that they own stock, but it's less than they owned before. Increased would mean that they bought stock but bought more of it, and no change means they kept the same amount. So, buying stock means it's green font, selling stock means it's red font, and no change is just the standard white font. So these 2 columns help you see how a highly regarded investment firm makes its decisions. So if you want to look at which dollar and under stocks might be a good investment, you could go here. So if you want to maybe take a flyer on something, this could help you decide that. And in general, this report gives you a good look at what stocks are trading under $1, how they've changed over the past year or so, and it gives you a clear look at how these stocks are trading, so you can make an informed decision and invest wisely.